Hey, Pacie.
Hi.
Hey, Pacers. And what do you got there in your hand today, Pace?
I got a lampy.
Okay, what does it say on the box?
It says magic light.
Magic light. And we were gifted this by one of our Instagram friends, Billa and Floor. Something like that. So I will drop in their name on this video and you can check them out. And this product is available on Amazon. So it's magic light. It's a touch bedside lamp. It has a remote control, and it's got a charging cable to go with it, right?
Should we show how it works?
Yeah, let's do that. Got it?
I opened it. Dun, 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 dun.
Nice. It's really cute. We love it's really light, right, Pace?
Yeah, it's very light. Look at this.
Oh, the light is very light. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, wow. So it's a strobing light. It changes colors. Ooh, nice.
Let's see.
I don't know if that remote has batteries on it, does it?
I don't know.
It probably doesn't yet. Let's see.
Look at it. It's changing colors like it's magnificent.
Yeah, there's no batteries yet on the remote, but the remote, you can control the colors and how long you want it to stay on for, the on and off button and everything.
You can do anything.
So, Pacie, would you recommend this to your Pacers?
Of course.
Do you love it? You gonna keep it by your bed?
Yes.
Alrighty, friends. I will include their Instagram link and or actually their Instagram handle on this video, and then you can check them out.
Thank you, everybody, watching this video.